Hello, good morning, dear students. So today, I think you have completed up to number K. Okay, and you may be having problem in question number L. So where there was root. So maybe there wasn't any problem regarding up to number K. Okay, the same type of question was there, but there in question number L, so there is root under and there is 5 also. So how to solve this type of number? Okay, so 243 divided by 1024 and there is root under. So we know that. So here, so I got one thing. Okay, so I've made like this. So if there is just a root, we call this one as square root also. Do you know square root? Root लाई square root पनि भन्छ. Okay, square root भनेको चाहिँ, so it is the root of 2. 2 ko root ho. It is called cube root. If there is 3 outside the root, okay, so root ma 3 ko चाहिँ root ho भने it is called the cube root. Okay, so cube root. So root under 4. So if there is 4, then root under 4. Okay, so root 4 root. Okay, so let me not call as 4 root under 4. Okay, so root under 4 भनेको त root को मुनि 4. Okay, so sorry for that one. So if there is 4 root under, then that also how to solve it, let us do it. So if there is root, okay, so root भनेको त के अरे divide sign. Okay, in the power it must be written as a divide sign. So if there is just a root, then what that is called square root. Okay, what do you call it? So we call it square root. So this is also called square root. So square root. So if there is root, the power ma ke lekhne re divide ma lekhne yo. Okay, so your ke ko root are 2 ko. So that's why 1 divided by 2 lekhne. Right? So your root भनेको square root हो यो भनेको. Okay, so though there is nothing written over here, that means it is square root. Square root भनेको 2 को root under हो, and root under must be written in the divide sign in case of power. Okay, power मा divide sign मा लेख्ने. If there's no number, 1 is there. So 1 divided by, so what is the root? 2. Okay, so let us write down 2 over here. Okay, so root under 2 can be written as x power 1 by 2. Okay, x power 1 by 2. So if there is root under 3, then how shall we write down this one then? Okay, so root under 3 छ भने कसरी लेख्ने त भन्दाखेरि, so x लेख्ने, suppose a b c d whatever number is there, so write down that number first. Then root under 3 छ भने, so के गर्ने, so यसलाई के लेखौं, 1 divided by what is the root? 3. Okay, so 1 by 3. So x by a root under, we are focusing on this root. Okay, so x by a लाई x by a नै लेख्ने त, x by a नै लेख्ने. Okay, so bracket, because this is for both the number, so put the bracket. So it is the root of square, isn't it? Square root. So in the power, what do we need to write down? 1 divided by square. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, so if there is 3, then how shall we write down this one? So this one also the same thing, x by a power. Okay, so there is root under 3, that's a 1 by 3. Okay, let me give an example. So if there's 25, root under 5. So how will you write down? You'll write down as 25 power. Okay, so root under 5 like it will be written as 1 by 5. Okay, it should be written in the power. Power must be written in the small letter. Okay, small letter means it should be smaller and it should be flying up. Okay, it should be flying up. So it should be a little bit bigger. This number must be bigger and this number should be flying up at the right hand side, and this must be a little bit smaller than in comparison to this number. Somebody they write down the power in this way, 25 is square. So this is not 25 square, it is 252. Okay, so square must be written like this. So square must be written in this way, a small square. Okay, so 25 square. So it should be like tika. Okay, not a bath. Bath any सानो टीका, चामलको टीका सानो. Okay, okay, so that we have learned right now. Okay, so let us see what is given in the question. So in the question it is written root under 5. Okay, so 5 is written, root under 5. So 243. Okay, now we can do it, isn't it? कसरी गर्ने त? Okay, first of all let us write down the number 243 divided by 1024. 243 divided by 1024, and there is root under 5, that means it should be written as 1 by 5. Power ma 1 by 5 लेख्ने. अनि तल divide मा 5 छ भने यसको root under 5 निकाल्ने. Okay, so let us find out the root under 5. So 5 root of this number, so use the calculator, find the root 5 of this number. Okay, so what is the number? So what will be coming in a calculator? It is going to become 3, right? So that means 3 power kati 5, 3 power 5. Okay, यसको 5 root निकाल्ने त कति निस्किन्छ? It becomes 4, right? So what is the power? 5. So 4 power 5. So this 5 and 5 like के गर्ने? Cancel गर्ने? होइन, common लिने. Okay, the power must be taken common. Common कसरी लेख्ने त? So 3 by 4 power 5. It must be taken, this number, this power should be taken as common. 5 by 5 common लिने into 1 by 5. So this and this will be cancelled. Okay, so 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So 1 is remaining. So 3 by 4 power 1. So power 1 doesn't mean anything. So 3 by 4 power 1 means 3 by 4 only. Okay, so let us write down 3 by 4. If there is no power, if the power is 1, so let us write down the same number. Is it okay? Okay. So in this way, we will complete our number L. Hope it is simple. Okay, so just we have changed this one 5 like 1 by 5 leheko, and especially yesterday whatever we have done it. Okay, the same thing we have followed. Okay, number from number 6a and all, they are almost same now. Okay, so question number 6a. So in question number 6a, there is written root under 4 root under, so 81 power minus 1. So this minus 1 is for 1, है 81 is the number, 1 matra हैन, 81 फेरि 1 लाई मात्र उल्टाउँदाखेरि. Okay, so it is 81. So minus 1 को 81. Okay, so कसरी गर्ने त? Okay, let us do it in the previous number, like number the previous number. So first of all, let us change this root under 4. Okay, so 4 root under as power. So 81 minus 1. Okay, 81 power inverse. And you need to write on the bracket, and the power must be written as 1 by 4 because it is root under. Okay, so the root should be written in the divide sign 1 by 4. Okay, so after that minus 1 should be multiplying this number. Minus ले multiply गरेर के हुन्छ? Minus हुन्छ. Minus plus minus. Okay, otherwise we can do like this also. Minus plus minus, and this is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus भएपछि उल्टिनु पर्छ. Okay, so एउटा line किन बढाइराख्ने? So let us do like this. Okay, so since there is no any number, minus 1 is only there. Okay, there is only 1 over here, minus is there. Okay, so minus if the power is minus sign, so what shall we do? We must reciprocal it, isn't it? If there is no number, there is 1, and if there is minus sign, minus in the power sign, with the key लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. Do you remember? If there is no number, there is divide by 1. And if the power is minus 1, then it will be reciprocal, 1 by 81. So then minus will be removed, isn't it? The magic show. So 81 huncha 1 by 81, and the minus sign will be removed. Then after that 4 cha bhane यसको root under निकाल्ने, root 4 निकाल्ने, 1 को root 4 1 नै हुन्छ, 1 by power 4 लेख्दिने. Okay, 5 छ भने 1 power 5, 10 छ भने 1 power 10. Okay, 1 is very good number. Okay, जस्तो छ अरु सब जस्तो त्यस्तै चेन्ज हुन्छ. It is like alu, it is like water. Okay, so wherever you pour the water, it takes the shape, isn't it? So 1 is also like a water. Okay, so then after that 1 power 4, and 81 is the root 4 of which number? So it becomes 3, isn't it? So when you type with the calculator in the calculator, 4 tisne and shift tisera to x power y tisne, it will come x root. Yesterday we have learned, if you were absent yesterday, so see yesterday's video, okay, in the Google Classroom, and you can see up there. Okay, so you can see the thing, so how to calculate and all. So I taught everything. Okay, how to use the calculator, how to do different things. Okay, so okay, so if we have missed yesterday's video, see the yesterday's video first before starting this one. So 1 power 4, 81 means 3 power 4. Okay, so after using the calculator, and 4 and 4 will be taken as common. Okay, 4 of 4 common linear, so 1 by 3 power 4 and into 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Okay, so then after that 1 by 3 is going to be a beautiful answer. Okay, so this is all about question number A. Okay, so if you have not completed, pause the video. Okay, so then after that number C, let us go to number C. Oh my God, the question is very dangerous. Okay, so this question is not dangerous. Question is more easier. Okay, so root under, so 3 root, square root. Okay, there are 2 roots over here. This is cube root, Others we can call it 3 root. Hey, and this is square root, isn't it? Root matra sani, it is the square root. So first I will write down the number 1 5 6 2 3. Okay, 1 5 6 2 3. So यसको ठीक अब माथि जाउँ. Okay, ठीक माथि जाउँ. It is the root. Which root? It is square root. So square root लाई कसरी लेख्ने? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into. So it is which root? 3 root. Okay, so that means it should be written as what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Simple. Okay, so first write down the number. यो भनेको square root, त्यही भएर 1 by 2 लेख्ने पावरमा. This means cube root, so let us write down 1 by 3 in the power. Okay, so you need to write down the multiply sign. So 1 into 1, 1. Okay, write down the number 1 5 6 to 5, 1 5 6 to 5. 1 into 1. Multiply the upper number. In case of multiplication, upper number is going to be multiplied. Numerator multiplies the numerator. Denominator multiplies the denominator. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Okay, then after that, so if there is 6, that means you need to find out the root 6 with the help of a calculator. So press 6, shift power, then after that type this number, you'll get 5. Okay, so you kick a root of 6. That's why 6 like me, power 6 like me. So remove the bracket. So you need to write down multiply sign. 6 into 1 by 6, 6 into 1 by 6. Okay, so 6 and 6 will be cancelled. So 5 is going to be a beautiful answer. Any problem? Okay, so your classes are going to start soon, maybe. Okay, so from so Nagarpalika has already allowed you to be to have a physical classes. Okay, so maybe tomorrow. So sorry, maybe today. So this is the recorded version. So yesterday, that means on 24th I have done the record. Okay, so 24th I have done the record. So I don't know tomorrow it is going to reopen the school or not. Okay, so tomorrow and then 25th first time I think school I'm not so confirmed. Okay, so maybe from Sunday or from Thursday it is going to start at classes. Okay, so let us meet together. So everybody must be present, and all the copies, all the work must be completed. Okay. Okay, so number G. Other numbers are same up to number F. Look at number G. So this G is also very difficult, isn't it? No, it is very simple. So whatever root is there, it should be written in the denominator, isn't it? So X, what is the power over here? X power A square minus B square. X power A square minus B square. The root must be written in the divide sign. Divide कसरी लेख्ने? तलपट्टि लेख्ने. Okay, divide means तलपट्टि. Divide by X plus A. Okay, sorry, A plus B. So X must be written bigger and this must be written smaller later. Okay, so यो चाहिँ अलिकति तिमीले देख्दैन भनेर अलिकति ठुलो लेखेको थिए, but this numbers, the power must be written a little bit smaller and this must be written a little bit bigger one. Okay, so यसरी यो ठुलो यो सानो सानो लेख्नु पर्छ. So what is the formula of A square minus B square? Okay, somebody has told A plus B, A minus B. मनमने भन्नु होला, I have heard. Okay, भोलि भन्नु आँटेको छ, but I have heard today itself. Okay, okay, so my imagination is so good. So A square minus B square. Okay, so what is the formula of A square minus B square? A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B, A minus A plus B, A plus B will be cancelled. So what is the remaining number? A minus B is the remaining number. Okay, so X power A minus B is our remaining number, and this is going to be a answer, beautiful answer. Okay, number G. So others, so number H is similar. Then after that, number I, number J. Okay, so which number I have done? Let us see. Okay, let us do number J. Okay, so minus sign is there. There is no any problem over here. So what shall we do? So 1 by 81 is there. 1 by 81. So if there is root on the minus 4 is there, then what we need to write on in the divide sign? 1 by 4 minus 4. There is minus also, so 1 by minus 4. So 1 by 81, 1 divided by minus 4. If there is minus sign, in the power, it must be reciprocal. 81 goes up, 1 goes down. Hey, 81 goes up, 1 goes down. So divide by 1 लेख्नु पर्दैन. I told you just before also, keep it in your mind, -1 must, we don't have to write a -1, sorry, divide by 1. Hey, so 1 by 81 means when the minus sign, power minus sign छ भने the number becomes reciprocal. Okay, so तलको माथि, माथिको तल हुन्छ. 81 goes up, 1 comes down. So 81 divided by 1 हो खासमा, but 1 no need to write down. Okay, divide by 1 no need to write down. So 81 divided by 1 भनेको 81 नै हुन्छ. Okay, so 1 लेख्नु पर्दैन, sorry, 1 लेख्नु पर्दैन. So there is divide by 4, that means we need to find out the root 4 of this number. Okay, 4 root of this number. So use a calculator, it becomes 3. Okay, so 3 ka power kati lekhne, 4 lekhne. So you can remove the bracket, then it becomes multiply sign. So 1 by 4. Okay, so 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Ultimately, your answer is going to be 3. Okay, so in this way, we'll get our answer number J. Pause the video if you have not completed. Repeat the video if you have not understood. Okay, so number L. So this is same number L. Okay, so these two both are same, almost same. There is x power 4. Okay, so this 4 is not for 81 and x both. It is just for x only. But if there is bracket sign, then this 4 will be for both the numbers. But eta 4 ma bracket sign, power bracket sign, that means it is just for x only. Okay, this power 4 is just for x only. Okay, so this root under 4 कसरी पो लेख्ने अरे, power 1 by 4 लेख्ने. So 81 x by 4 power 1 by 4. Okay, so if there is root under 4, then how shall we write down? So we should write down like this. So 81 like कसरी लेख्ने, so 81 भनेको, so we need to find out the root 4. Okay, 4 root of this number. Then it will come 3, isn't it? So 3 power 4, it's x power 4. You 4 र 4 लाई त के गर्ने? What shall we do? If the power are common, then what shall we do? We need to take that as common. Okay, so 3 and x will be common. So 3 and x, write down. Then 4 and 4, they are common numbers. They are common powers. So we need to take it as common. So 4 or 4 are common line, 4 line into 1 by 4 is there. Let us write down 1 by 4. Hey, so 4 or 4 common leko. If 4 छ भने 4 both you will get to both the number, isn't it? You 4 त दुईटालाई दिनु पर्छ नि. हो त्यसरी नै 4 र 4 दुईटै like common लेको. That means we can take it as common. 4 लेख्दिने, यो हटाएर 4 लेख्दिने, यसरी 4 लेख्ने. 4 and 4 will be common. है 4 4 16 लेख्ने हैन, फेरि common लेको. है उसको पनि दुईटा चकलेट, उसको पनि दुईटा चकलेट भनेर दुईटा कतिवटा चकलेट छ दुई जनासँग, दुईवटा भनेको जस्तै. ओके, so चारटा भने हैन. Got it? So 4 is the common number. So HCF, say LCM and HCF. Okay, so 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Okay, then what is the remaining number? 3x is the remaining number. Okay, so in this way, we'll complete our number 6 also. Okay, so hope you have understood. So please complete up to number 6 and see the examples also. Okay, so if there's any problem, so you can ask me. Okay, so the school will be remaining, so will be opening soon. Please circle the numbers and you can ask me in the class now. Okay, so we will meet soon. Please be present in your classes. Okay, so during your classes, do not miss the first day. Okay, so we are having our class regularly. We are not from the vacation. We are not coming from the vacation. Okay, so be regular, be present. Okay, हाम्रो class लागिरहेछ भने सम्झिने अनि be present. Okay, so first दिन चाहिँ के जानु भनेर नजाने होइन. Got it? The teachers will teach. I will definitely teach. So and your classes will be running. So please be present during a class now. Okay, so bye bye for today. Have a great day. Okay, bye bye. See you all tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever it will be opening. Okay.